everyone, it's Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. It's January, and maybe like you, I'm getting ready for a little getaway weekend. And every time I go, honestly, I don't travel with women, as you know, most of the time because I'm with a family of men. I notoriously forget something. And then I have to find the Walgreens or the CVS, put it in my phone and spend an hour trying to go get my, toothbrush or my mascara or um, Band-Aids. That is my biggest problem. So what I wanted to do today is to show you how to pack your carry-on makeup and skincare needs. So I did the research, gals, and I found some tools that are fabulous and a few little surprises. So stay with me. Are you ready to get started? So let's talk bags first, gals. I've come up with some great fun solutions for us, so stay tuned and do watch it all. So the first one is this great little bag I bought at Target. It's called the TSA. That's what we're trying to be compliant with, the Travel Container Kit. So pretty easy, gals. And it even comes with stickers in there to put on your bottles. That's really a nice bag. The other one I love and I've used for years is this Sephora bag. And you can really, as you can see, put a whole lot of stuff in it. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what is in my very small bag. I think I got this at some makeup counter. But the main thing is, don't use those bags you can't see through, because then you don't know which bag to grab. So this one is the dry things that you need. So let's peek inside and see what there is. Okay, gals, the second bag is this great one. I've jammed it full, but this is the stuff that I need when I shower or in the bathtub. So I'm going to put my glasses on for this. This was the one I wanted to show you. This is what people rave about on the internet. It's called Downy Wrinkle Release Plus. So I don't really iron, but I'm going to try this and see if I can get back to you exactly it. But people love it. So here's my super find. Can you believe it? It's all my makeup that I need, and I really have packed well for you. I'm so proud this is all I could put in there, that I fit it all in there. But really, it's everything I need. So let's see what's in there. Do bring your makeup sponges. After all, we want our makeup to look as good when we're out of town as we do when we're home. And a lot of hotels now even have those makeup mirrors, which are my favorite hotels. I love this little bitty Glam Glow. I've talked about this on my foundation. It's kind of like a tinted moisturizer. It feels very good, and it's just really a light little foundation you can slather on and run downstairs and grab a coffee before you even have time for your makeup. I'm going to Florida, so I always pack my Elta MD UV tinted broad spectrum SPF 40. I know it's kind of big, but I go through it a lot. Of course, one of my Falsies volumizing mascara. One of my favorite NARS concealers. My tinted brow gel. And I do bring 2 eye pencils, one for day and one for night. And I bring this little tiny from Sephora, a little tiny eyeshadow kit. My NARS, you know what? Look at that beautiful color. That's my blush. And then I bring a really small, I love this little one from Sephora. It's a little fat one for my blush. And for my foundation, you all, I've talked about this before. This is a Bobbi Brown stick foundation. So it's not liquid. And it's really so easy. You could put it on in the car if you had a little mirror to touch it up. But it's slender and small, and it's not going to ever spill. My NYX lip gloss. And I love these little tiny liquid perfumes. This is Kai. This is a brand I've used for 10 years. I just love it. And again, you don't want to bring your big, huge perfume. This Naked Urban Decay, you all, this is got my bronzer and my blush and a little highlighter. So you know I like things that I can use multiple times. And then my Smashbox Camera Ready. This has got a broad spectrum SPF. So if I don't feel like putting on my stick foundation, I can just go out with this in the daytime. So those are my makeup things to just show you about that I learned. And this was the best trick of all, is this gal had these, I don't even wear contacts, but these are little contact cases, and they screw, the little lid screws on, and you can put in these little tiny things whatever little bitty favorite creams, anything liquid that is too big that you love, that you want to travel with. I mean, isn't that genius? I just counted, gals, and this is my 4th bag, but I promise you'll have everything you need. So this, I just used a little Ziploc quart bag. Let's see what's in here. All right, we've got it. We've got our one little see-through pouch of the essentials, is what I call these. We have our bath essentials in number 2. Number 3, we have our makeup products. And number 4 are our kind of emergency products. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial on how to pack carry-on makeup and beauty needs. You know I couldn't just pack one bag. And to be honest, every time I've gone somewhere in the past 5 years, this is what I've traveled with, and nobody has stopped Liza. So I feel pretty good about it. And like I said, it's just easy to grab one bag, and I know what's in each bag. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please follow me on my channel, Show Me Beautiful. Happy traveling, and I hope you don't forget stuff when you're packing.